Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and comment a palette that you've been looking forward to being released down below. For me, y'all, Glamlight has got me with this ghost face collection. Like, I'm getting so nervous though because they haven't showed us the palette and I am passing up so many palettes just so I can get my hands on some things in this collection. So, I mean, like, I know Glamlight, I know they're not going to do me wrong, but I would still like to know what I'm passing everything up for. So that's it. And today's video is the Nomad Cosmetics Ghost Town USA palette. Here's just that outer packaging. Here's the back of it. And then the inside of this palette, or well, actually, the real actual palette, you can see it's that holographic, really cool design. And then here's the back of the actual palette itself. And then here is the inside of this beautiful palette. Like, this is just absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Just so pretty. I'm really excited to get this on my eyes. I think we're gonna do like a brown purple look and like a bluish greenish look, because I know y'all like when I do the different looks on the eyes, so that's what I try to do, even though I'm running super late. And also just a weird phenomenon that's been going on in my house. Like, if you've been here a minute, you know I swear my house is haunted, and the last couple times I tried to film, like, all my batteries are going out. My camera batteries that should have been perfectly charged, I just one of them was dead, so I took it out, replaced it with another one, and I have 2 bars. So this is going to be interesting, you guys. And also, we are jumping into spooky season now on the channel. So spooky season palettes from here until Halloween. Hopefully I should have enough. If not, we'll just have to get creative. But I'm excited for that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started, because like I need to quit talking, because 1, I'm running late to pick up the groceries, and 2, I only have 2 bars and I have no idea what the status of my other battery is. It's probably not good. So, oh, and if you watched the video I filmed yesterday with the Beauté Rich palette, I did drink some coffee today, but I remembered to, because it's coffee concentrate, I remembered to mix it with water, so I'm not as like crazy hyper today. So, and it definitely doesn't feel as good. Like, there's something about that crazy intense caffeine like hit. Okay, so blue-green eye is going to be this one, so we're going to start with this one. Let's start with the shade. And again, they have like really cute like indentations on these shades, and I feel really bad for destroying them. Let's start with the shade Ghost Town, which is this shade right here. So, are you guys... Sorry, I keep trying to talk and like there's something weird going on with my throat. Are you guys as excited for spooky season as I am? Because I literally live for the fall months. Like, if it could be fall all the time, I would be the happiest person you've ever met in your life. Everything would be perfect. It just, life would be so much better. There's just something about being able to be outside all the time, having energy, not being sweaty and gross. It's an amazing feeling that only happens for a short time around here. All right. And yeah, that Glamlight Ghost Face collab, I can't wait. But I'm like, it's coming out in like a little under 2 weeks. So like, y'all gotta start giving us some previews or something. Like, I need to see this. My whole life is banking on this collection. Okay, maybe not really, but I have passed up so much because I'm like, I want to make sure I can get as much as I want from this collection, you know? So yeah, there have been like a lot of things that I normally would have picked up, but I'm passing on because I just really am wanting this, this palette. Like, I can't wait. Okay. And again, it's Glamlight. They're amazing. Like, I know it's going to be so good, but I just want to see it, you know? I just want to know. I want to know all the details. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in with the shade... Let's go with Calamity Jane, which is that one right there. hope I'm not getting sick. I can feel that drainage starting down my throat. Which, I did run out of my usual allergy medicine, so last night I did have to take, like, something different, so that could be it, too. Because, like, Xyzal, you guys, is basically what works best for me. Anything else just doesn't do it. So, yeah, that's probably what's going on right now. Okay. Gonna go in with some of that glitter glue. Okay. You guys, I spend so much time looking for the right brush. It is just, it's madness. And then grabbing my color switch thing too. Okay. So I'm trying to decide, like, there's so many pretty shades. Do I want to, I think I need to go in with like a more greenish shade at this point. So let's go with Calico California, which is that shade right there. It's very, very pretty, very shimmery, I can tell. And let's go ahead and put that on the inner portion of the eye. Oh, you guys. She pretty. She pretty. Oh my goodness. All right. Alright, yeah, so beautiful, that shimmer, amazing. Let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. And I think let's go in with the the shade. It's called Stagecoach Mary. I started to say the shade name instead of shade first. So let's go in with this for the lower lash line. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Now for that lower inner corner highlight, you guys. Let me find my little brush for that. And I think I'm gonna go in with, let's go in with the shade Quicksilver, which is this shade right here. Like, these shimmers are all so good. Oh my goodness, it's pretty, pretty, pretty. Y'all know, like, I live for a good shimmer. All right. All right, so first eye's done. Let's go ahead and get started on the other eye. And this is gonna be the brownish, purplish eye. So, where is my brush that I want to start with? So the shade I want to begin with is going to be the shade Undead Sheriff, which is this one right here. Now I want to go in with let's go in with the shade Bandit Queen, which is this shade right here. Which is just such a pretty brown. I just want to make sure I get this built up enough, which I think that's pretty good. And then we're just kind of going to do the same thing, going with that glitter glue. On that inner portion of the eye. And for the shimmer, we're gonna go in with the shade Ghost Train. This is such a pretty purplish shimmer shade. I say purplish because when it's sitting down and like I'm looking at it, and it could just be the lights, it like totally shifts to more of like a greenish looking color. But then when I hold it up to the camera, it looks more purple. So we'll see what really happens when I put it on my eyes. Okay, yeah, that is definitely more purple. Which, like, is exactly what I wanted. So, like, I am not in any way complaining. It is freaking beautiful. The shade, oh my gosh. So pretty. I just think it looks so good with that brown shade as well. Just absolutely beautiful. I just felt so much of that just go falling onto my face. I think I forgot to tap my brush off. That's okay. It's okay. It happens. Yeah, that is beautiful. So pretty. Let's go ahead and do that lower lash line, do the inner corner highlight. Then I'm going to put on my mascara. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I think I'm just going to do the shade Deadwood, which is right here. Alright. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, dang, what shade do I want to do? Let's go with the shade Rhyolite Nevada, which I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, which I might not be, so if I am not, I apologize. Ooh, that's a good one. That is a good one. I mean, they're all good, but just very, very, very pretty. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. I just like love the shimmers, y'all know. So this was the Nomad Cosmetics Ghost Town USA palette. It is absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful, so fun. And again, I'm a sucker for cool packaging like that, so hopefully y'all can see it. Like, that is just so, so cool. And here is the inside of this just freaking gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, amazing palette. And y'all, that is the first palette in our spooky season series that we are doing here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting me, giving this video a thumbs up, commenting down below about what palettes you're looking forward to, like, or just what your favorite thing about spooky season is. And if you don't like spooky season, like, tell me what your favorite season is and what you love about it. And yeah, just you guys remember that you are loved, you're amazing. Just go do something really, really cool, really fun today. And remember to take care of yourself and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.